Hello viewers, in this video today I will teach you how to do the proper push-ups. This exercise engages multiple muscles in one move and also increase core strength. Once you master this basic push-up, you can try different variations of push-ups according to your needs and performance. First, place my hands slightly wider than the shoulder width. Extend my legs straight back, contract my abs and look straight down. Now go down as if you are going to touch the floor with your chest and push yourself up. While doing this workout, make sure your elbows are not pointing outside. So tuck your elbows in and let them point inwards. If you are new to push-up and don't have strength to do this with your legs straight, then put your knees down and do this workout. Or beginners can also try this by fully resting down on the ground and push yourself up. This form will at least help you to gain that upper body strength to do the proper push-up. For this workout, inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. This is a very common mistake the beginners do while doing the push-ups. Make sure your posture stays in an inclined position from toes to head. So this is the end of the video. Do let me know your opinions in the comment section. I will come with another video in the next week. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, stay tuned.